In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up document naming conventions in Clio Manage. Once you are already signed in to Clio Manage, start from the left-hand navigation menu and click Documents. This opens the area where your files and Matter folders are stored. From there, open the Matter folder that contains the documents you want to organize so you are working in the correct location before making any changes. At this point, it is important to note how Clio Manage currently handles document names. In the current interface, there is not a separate setting that automatically creates or enforces a firm-wide document naming convention. That means the naming structure needs to be applied manually when you add new files and when you update existing ones. Before uploading or renaming anything, decide on the format you want to use for your document names. One example is date, client, document type, description. The specific format can be whatever suits your workflow, but it should stay consistent across your documents. Using the same order each time helps keep files grouped in a predictable way inside each matter. When you are ready to add a new file using that format, click New and then select Upload Files. Choose the document you want to upload from your device. As you upload it, enter the document name using the naming convention you selected. Pay attention to the order of each part of the name so it matches the structure you plan to use for future files. If you already have documents in the folder that need to be updated, locate the document you want to change and open its Available Actions menu. In that menu, select Rename. Once the Rename option opens, replace the current file name with a version that follows your naming convention. After the new name is entered, save the change so the updated name appears in the Matter folder. You can then repeat that same process for any other documents that need to be brought into the same structure. For new uploads, use the convention at the time you add the file. For documents that are already in Clio Manage, use the Actions menu and Rename option to align them with the same format. The key detail is consistency, since there is no automatic naming rule managing this for you in the background. As you continue working in Clio Manage, keep using the same naming pattern each time you add or rename documents. That keeps your Matter folders organized and makes document titles easier to scan when you return to them later. Thanks for watching. Your documents in Clio Manage now follow a consistent naming convention.